There's a certain kind of silence that only comes from serious engineering. It's the silence you feel when a machine is built not to struggle, but to dominate terrain effortlessly. This Rolls-Royce Expedition motorhome is defined by that idea, starting with its suspension system and structural foundation. Built to carry massive weight across uneven ground, long highways, and unpredictable environments, the suspension is engineered to isolate the cabin from everything happening beneath it. Whether the wheels are rolling over broken asphalt, gravel tracks, or long stretches of open road, the body remains composed, level, and calm. Vibrations are absorbed before they reach the living space, and movement feels controlled rather than reactive. This isn't just comfort, it's confidence engineered into motion. That foundation sets the tone for the entire motorhome. From the outside, it carries undeniable presence. The proportions are bold, the stance is wide, and the design communicates authority without excess. Matte black surfaces, deep gray tones, and subtle golden lighting elements give it a commanding yet restrained character. It doesn't chase attention, it owns the space naturally. This is a motorhome built for people who value control, privacy, and long-distance freedom over flashy design statements. Once inside, the atmosphere changes instantly. The interior is intentionally compact, designed to feel secure and grounded rather than open and oversized. The lounge area is the first space you experience, and it sets the emotional tone of the entire interior. Instead of large sofas or oversized seating, the lounge is kept small, cozy, and deeply personal. The seating is integrated into the structure, upholstered in soft gray fabric that feels inviting without being bulky. Gray cushions add warmth and texture, making the space feel lived in rather than staged. A small fixed table sits at the center, minimal and clean, holding a single decorative item that adds just enough character without clutter. This isn't a place for entertaining crowds, it's a space designed for quiet mornings, thoughtful conversations, and moments of rest after long drives. Warm golden LED lighting runs subtly along the ceiling edges, creating a calm glow that softens the darker tones of the interior. A side window with a black frame allows natural light in when desired, but the space still feels protected and private. It's the kind of lounge where time slows down naturally. Moving forward, the kitchen continues the same restrained design language. Compact, efficient, and beautifully integrated, it avoids the look of a traditional home kitchen entirely. Dark surfaces dominate here, black and deep gray cabinetry blended seamlessly into the wall panels. The countertop is finished in a durable composite material, clean and uninterrupted, with an integrated sink placed logically beside the cooktop. Everything feels flush, intentional, and easy to maintain. Lockable storage cabinets line the walls, keeping supplies secure while traveling. Under-cabinet lighting provides focused illumination without harsh brightness, making food preparation comfortable at any time of day. Exactly as a serious expedition motorhome should, as you move deeper inside, the bedroom reveals itself as a private sanctuary. This space is clearly separated from the rest of the motorhome, creating a psychological shift from movement to rest. The bed is fixed, centered, and neatly made, dressed in soft beige bedding that contrasts beautifully with the darker interior tones. A matching blanket is folded carefully, and the pillows are arranged in a way that feels natural, not decorative. Behind the bed, instead of a window, there's a clean wall surface with a subtle art panel that adds character without distraction. This choice reinforces the feeling of privacy and stability. Side windows are smaller, framed in black, and equipped with blackout blinds, allowing complete control over light. The compact side table sits next to the bed, topped with a small lamp that casts a warm, focused glow. This bedroom isn't designed to impress visually. It's designed to help you sleep deeply, consistently, and comfortably, no matter where the motorhome is parked. Adjacent to the bedroom is the dressing area, one of the most thoughtfully designed spaces in the entire motorhome. Built as a single continuous wall, it combines wardrobe storage and vanity functionality without wasting space. Full-height wardrobes line the wall, some doors half open to reveal hanging clothes inside. Interior LED lighting activates softly when the cabinets are opened, illuminating garments without glare. At the center of the wall sits a vanity mirror positioned at a comfortable height, neither too high nor too low. Below it, a slim sliding vanity shelf provides space for daily essentials, watches, grooming items, and personal accessories. This dressing area feels practical, refined, and quietly luxurious. The bathroom continues the same philosophy of controlled design. Compact but complete, it includes a modern commode, a small integrated sink with storage beneath, and an enclosed shower area. Materials remain consistent: dark gray wall panels, matte black flooring, and brushed metal fixtures. Lighting is functional yet warm, and a small frosted window allows natural light while preserving privacy. Everything feels durable, easy to clean, and designed for real use rather than visual impact. Only after experiencing the living spaces does the cockpit truly make sense. Positioned at the front, the cockpit is intentionally understated yet technologically advanced. Instead of physical buttons and analog gauges, the dashboard is fully digital and seamless. A wide, continuous display spans the driver's field of view, integrating navigation, vehicle systems, and camera feeds into a single comm interface. The steering wheel carries the Rolls-Royce emblem at its center, wrapped in leather and equipped with touch-sensitive controls rather than traditional buttons. Ambient golden lighting traces the dashboard line, matching the interior's lighting language and reinforcing visual continuity. Everything here feels automated, intelligent, and intuitive. This cockpit doesn't overwhelm the driver, it supports them quietly and confidently. Now let's talk about pricing and value. A motorhome of this caliber sits firmly in the ultra-luxury expedition category. Depending on configuration, customization, and regional availability, pricing is expected to fall between approximately $200,000 and $300,000, potentially higher for bespoke builds. That price reflects not just materials or branding, but the engineering, layout discipline, and long-term usability built into every element. This Rolls-Royce Expedition motorhome isn't designed for campgrounds or casual weekend trips. It's built for long journeys, remote destinations, and people who value calm control over excess. It's for those who want their environment to remain stable, composed, and refined no matter where the road leads. So here's the real question. If this motorhome were yours, would you take it into the mountains, across desert highways, or on a long, destination-free drive where the journey itself becomes the reward? Let me know where you'd go first, and whether this is the kind of motorhome you could truly see yourself living in.